For this video, I will teach you how to create your Calendly account. So, in your browser, just type in calendly.com and then click sign up. And then just type in your email, your Google, your gmail.com, and then click get started. Oops. Okay, so since I already have an account using this email, I will just use a sample or a demo account or a dummy Gmail account just for this demo. But you have to use your actual Gmail. Okay, so just click get started, and then there, since it detected that you're using Gmail, then it will show you the button sign up with Google. So you just click that and then choose the Gmail account you want to sign up with, and then that's it. You created your Calendly account.